Here's how legal shows get it wrong when they refer to the defendant not testifying at trial. The defendant has no obligation whatsoever to testify at trial. They have the absolute right to remain silent under the federal and state constitution. In legal shows, they always show the prosecutor getting up and closing arguments saying, we didn't hear from the defendant. Well, they're not permitted to do that in real life. On TV, sometimes they even try it. In real life, they can't even try it. They can't even infer. In fact, there are jury instructions against it. The judge will probably say something to the effect of, you are to take no adverse inference from the defendant not testifying in his own defense. They have no obligation to present any evidence. They have no obligations to call any witnesses or say anything in their defense. It is the Commonwealth, the state, or the government's burden to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt. So if the prosecutor gets up there and says, the defendant didn't testify, or they infer somehow, immediately the defense attorney will get up and say, Your Honor, may we approach and ask for a mistrial? Here's the reality. Staying silent is smart. It's not suspicious. Simply because you decide not to testify and remain silent and make the Commonwealth prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, that is your right under every constitution in this great nation. And you should take advantage of that.